She runs an amazing restaurant going global soon. But also, you're a very creative person. Now, efficiency must be huge for you.
Oh, absolutely.
But okay, key question. What does the Z Fold7 mean to you? Welcome to this week's episode, Should We Unfold, where we ask, is now the time to actually switch?
Oh, that's a big question.
The Galaxy Z Fold has always been a favorite among tech enthusiasts. Could this be the model that truly captures the attention of every smartphone user? And to help us figure it out, we've got someone who's actually living with it. She runs an amazing restaurant everybody's buzzing about and going global soon. But importantly, she recently switched to a foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold7. Yeah, welcome.
Hey, what's up? I'm very excited to be here. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so word on the street is that you have the new Z Fold7.
Yes, I do.
My first impression of the foldable was, cool idea, but a bit bulky. What was your first take?
Honestly, me too. But then I got my hands on the Z Fold7 and it really surprised me just how slim it is.
From what I've heard, they've reimagined the design from scratch, with a slimmer hinge, a thinner display, and more efficient internal layering. The device is now noticeably sleeker without compromising durability. But okay, key question. If it's like a regular phone folded, why bother unfolding? Like, what's the plus?
Right, that's the thing. It's like your regular phone. You can still do a quick tags, all of that, but then it's got this really nice extra feature, right, extra gear, that when you open it...
Kind of like a mini tablet.
Exactly, yes. And it's perfect for gaming too.
You know where my brain goes next is, what about the battery life? Because that's got such a big screen. Does that not just die instantly?
I thought that too, but honestly, the battery life has been really impressive. Even when I watch videos from day to night, they somehow managed to keep it slim and gave it a more efficient battery.
So there was no compromise.
I haven't noticed one.
Now, efficiency must be huge for you.
Oh, absolutely, nonstop.
You're opening a new restaurant space. How has the Z Fold7 helped the practical side of your daily life?
The start of the day is a good example. This is my now brief, and it's like my personal dashboard that gives me the key info for the day.
It's kind of like a personal assistant?
Exactly, yes. And another big practical thing recently was working on the interior in our new place in Thailand.
Hi Gemini, this is my restaurant. I want to add a local vibe to my interior.
Of course. So you might consider incorporating elements like rich, colorful fabrics like table runners, traditional Thai artwork, or wooden carvings.
These look interesting. Which one would you recommend among these two table runners?
Given the light and airy feel of your restaurant, the table runner on the left would be a great choice. It has a delicate pattern and lighter color.
It's very practical. It makes sense. But also, you're a very creative person. How does the phone, especially the camera, feed into the creative side?
Well, having 200 megapixels definitely helps.
Same level as the S25 Ultra.
Yeah. Like, we were on a vacation recently. My husband and daughter were playing. I snapped a picture. Didn't think much of it. But when I zoomed in, that image sparked an idea for a dish. The light, the detail with such clarity. And it's not just in bright light either. Low light is where it really shines. Once a month, just a casual dinner, very low, warm light. And one night, it suddenly started pouring rain outside. It wasn't all grainy or dark. You can really see them clearly, capture the whole moment. And then afterwards, I can do a quick edit right there in the unfolded screen. And even make the sounds I want clearer.
Oh my God!
That's amazing.
Cute. Look.
That's almost perfect.
Almost is
Take
never
me out
good
of the
enough
photo,
for me.
and it's a good photo.
No, but I'm gonna take out the microphone that's like right in your face. How about now?
Wow, I hate to say this about my own photo. That's perfect.
I told you.
Okay, wow, this has been really eye-opening. Like, I came into this with so many questions, and now I'm leaving actually considering it.
Look, I'm not trying to convince anyone, but if the tech actually helps you live and create better, it's worth looking at.
Absolutely.
Right?
All right, well, thank you so much for sharing this with all of us.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Of course, and for those of you tuning in, thank you again. We'll catch you next week. Wait, can I see this, please?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh my gosh, this thing's amazing.
Yeah, check out how slim it is. See that?
That's perfect.